The Moodle stack maths related question type is very powerful, but the question editing interface is quite complex. And this is a demonstration of a new Moodle plugin called Stack Question Type UI for user interface that simplifies the interface in a configurable way. Now I want to emphasize that this uses Moodle callbacks and it doesn't change the code of the stack question type at all. So I'll start off by illustrating some of the things that could benefit from simplification, particularly when people are new to the question type. And I'll scroll down to the end of the screen and you can see something unique to stack, which is called fixed dollars. Now I've been using stack on and off for a very long time and I have yet to have any cause to fixed dollars. So if you're new to it, you almost certainly wouldn't need that. There's some other fields here that people do use frequently, such as options and tags, but again these are fields that you probably wouldn't use when you're first getting familiar with the question type. So now I'm going to go back into as if I'm admin and I'm going to enable the plugin and I'm going to save the changes, and you can see here that we have something called elements to hide, and that illustrates that this is configurable, which fields do show and which are hidden. So I'll now re-request the page and you'll see that there's now a warning saying some elements are hidden for simplification based on your being in cohort stack novice, and you can configure the actual name of the cohort within the settings. So I will scroll down to the end of the page and you'll see that the fixed dollars fields is no longer there. We no longer have options or tags, and there are some other fields that have also been hidden. However, although it might be useful to have them hidden when you first start to use it, it might also be useful to be able to see them at will. So there's a new toggle here, and again I emphasize this is not a change to the stack code, this has been inserted by this plugin. And if I now scroll down to the end of the form, you will see that the fixed dollars fields and the tags and the options are now visible. We've been experimenting with other items to modify to attempt to improve the interface, and there's another little one here whereby normally this has fewer rows in the question variables area, and it's useful sometimes to be given line numbers, so this now displays line numbers. So that is the stack question type UI plugin that simplifies the interface, and I'd be very interested to hear people's feedback on both what is present in what I've just demonstrated and also ideas for additional features.